G'day everyone. Today we're going to look at installing Bitwarden and adding a site and getting Bitwarden to create a password that is unique and strong. So the first thing we need to do is install Bitwarden. So you can just Google Bitwarden, and here it is, this one here, bitwarden.com. And the easiest way to do this is just to add the extension to Chrome. So if we click on download, we are going to download the Google Chrome extension. It says just take you to the Chrome Web Store. You can see there's 5 stars, 5,000 reviews. It's a very good product. So we want to add this to Chrome, add extension. Okay, done. Alright, the first thing I like to do is go into my extensions, right here, and pin it, because it's something we're going to need quite a lot. The next thing we need to do is create an account. So we can do that through the extension here. We can just click on create account. We need to add an email address and a master password. So you put your email address in here, and then you need to create a master password. This is the most important password. You want it to be unique, something you haven't used on any other website. This password keeps all your other passwords safe. This is the only one you need to remember, so make it strong, make it preferably at least 12 characters, and definitely don't put in anything you've used before. If you've used a password that's been found in a breach before, you'll get this message. So you don't want to use this password. As you can see, I've just used the password 1 in this example. Yeah, so we definitely don't want to use that. So I've just typed mine in there, and this is a hint. I don't personally use them. It's completely up to you, but for me I think it's safer not to. Here it's going to check to see if this password's been found in a breach before, and this is just agreeing to the terms of service, which you can read if you want. After that we hit submit. Okay, so once you've signed up and filled in all the details, you'll see Bitwarden up here, and it will be blue. That means you're logged in and it's good to go. Okay, so if we click on that, it shows you this screen here, which is generally logins for the page that you're on. So this page here doesn't have a login, and there's no login. I would not save my Bitwarden master password in Bitwarden. Keep it somewhere separate and keep it safe. Some basic settings you want to set up. So we've got some down here, the ones that I usually change. This is Vault Timeout. I'm generally happy to keep it on browser restart. Nobody has access to my computer but me most of the time. So basically, yeah, whenever I restart my browser, I need to log back into the app again, and I use it to lock. You can set up a PIN number to unlock it. Obviously a little bit less safe than a master password, but if you've got the lock screen short, it helps to get back in quickly, and you still need the master password if you're logging into different devices. So a little bit less secure, but it's not too bad and can be handy sometimes. Biometrics, obviously if you have a fingerprint scanner, turn it on for sure. It's really handy. They're the main things, and the other one you want to probably do is turn on two-factor authentication, which is under this two-step login here. You click on this and you go through and set it up with whatever two-factor authentication system you're using, whether it be Google Authenticator or a third party like Authy. 100% turn that on. It's just gives you that extra layer of security in case someone ever does guess your password. Okay, so now we've got it up and running. How do we use it? So we've got Bitwarden installed. What we need to do is use it. So let's just say we're going to a website and we're going to sign up. So put in our details, whatever you want. And the easiest way for this to add it to Bitwarden, there's a few ways to do it, but the easiest way I found is just to click on this, click on add, has the website in there, the username you want to create. So in this case we need an email address. And then for the password we want to generate one. Here it is here. I suggest adding the special characters. Just makes it more complex. You can go as big and short as you want. I generally stick to 30. There's a few websites out there that don't like it if you go too long. This button just creates more and more passwords. This one copies it. I always like to copy it to the clipboard just in case. And so I'm going to hit select. Got my password, my username, and then once I click save, it then saves it. And then I can just click on this here, fills in all the details, and we click register, and then it all goes through and creates an account. And that's pretty much all you need to use it. Then once you need to log in with it. So we've come to the login page here, and now we've got a little one here that says, yep, you've got an account. So you can just click on this, say, yep, that's the one I want to do. Bang, bang. You're all logged. Click on login, and we're all done. The other thing you may need to do is for some reason it's not coming up, you can go in here and search for the website you're trying to log into, and it will come up there. You can click on this and give you more details. It'll show you that. You can copy your password from here if you need to. Also your username. If the autofill's not working for some reason, that's the easiest way to do it. And there we go. And the other thing you might want to do is also install it on your phone. I haven't got a phone with me to do that with, but it's all pretty simple. We download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Use your details that you created to log in, and then password you create here will automatically sync there, and you'll be able to log into websites on mobile or into the apps using the Bitwarden password vault. Alright, that's just a quick little run through of using Bitwarden. I hope that was helpful. I will catch you all next time.